Hello, my name is Murai. I am head Mutual lawyer at IMS Legal Professional Corporation. In this video, my paralegal Stephanie will explain to you Japanese Family Register Koseki. So Stephanie, please go ahead.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Stephanie, and I'm a paralegal at IMS Legal Professional Corporation. The Family Register Koseki is a legal document proving family ties to Japanese relatives. This video is mainly for Japanese people living overseas and second-generation Japanese, or Nikkei. There are a few reasons I want to talk about the Family Register Koseki. Our office has many business relationships with Japanese and Nikkei people in the US, and it was surprising to hear how many Nikkei living overseas would like to know more information about their Japanese relatives, including aunts and uncles, grandparents, and others. At the same time, many Nikkei who would like to know more about their family in Japan do not know how to get this information or who they should ask for help. Maybe you're one of them watching this video. As I mentioned earlier, Japan has a system called the Family Register that registers the status of a Japanese person and their family relationships. You can confirm your family relationship by obtaining a copy of the Family Register, or Koseki. At my company, we have acquired many family registers on behalf of our clients for many years, so I would like to help and share our knowledge in this video. If you would like to confirm your Japanese relatives or you are interested in your family register, please watch this video until the end. First, I want to explain the basics of the family register. A family register is for recording and publicly certifying the personal status of a Japanese person from birth until death. Being registered in a family register, or Koseki, means that that person has Japanese nationality. So, for example, a Japanese person must submit their family register when applying for a passport. In addition, the family register records information about birth, death, and marriage, so it can also be used as a certificate to prove these matters. As a general rule, the family register is made up of one couple and their unmarried children of the same family name. When a child is born, the child is registered in their parents' family register. Therefore, if a couple has 3 children, then there will be 5 people in the same family register. And by the way, married couples with different family names are not recognized in Japan, so a married couple always chooses one family name and their children are registered under the same name. When a child gets married, they will leave the parents' family register and a new family register is created for them and their spouse. The current law prohibits 3 generations from being listed on the same register, so you will never see grandparents and grandchildren listed together. Some of you watching this video may have one parent who is Japanese and has an international marriage. For example, if your mother is Japanese and your father is non-Japanese, then your mother left her parents' family register and now has her own. However, since your father is non-Japanese, he will not be able to be recorded in the family register. He will only have a note that he is your mother's spouse. The family register is managed by the permanent address, Honseki, and the head of household. So accurate information on these 2 items is required in order to obtain a copy. The permanent address is where the family register is located. It may look like a residential address, but it is completely different and only used to manage family register information. The residential address is registered separately from the family register, so even if you move, your permanent address will not be affected. In addition, foreigners who live in Japan for a long time will register their residential addresses, but since they are not Japanese, they do not have a family register. The head of household is the first person listed on the register. Their name will serve as the index of the family register. Even if the head of household dies, they will remain the index and the head of household will not be changed. In addition to the permanent address and head of household, the items listed in the family register include name, date of birth, reason for entering the register, such as marriage and birth, name of parents and relationship to parents, marital status, such as husband and wife, previous family register before joining the current, and matters regarding divorce, among others. Those are just the basics of the family register, but how was it? Many countries, including the United States, do not have this kind of system, so some people may find it difficult to understand. Next time, I will explain the different kinds of the family register that you need to know in order to obtain a copy. If you found this video useful and would like to be notified of the next one, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In addition, if you would like to obtain your family register and verify your family ties in Japan without the hassle, please let us help. For many years, we have received requests from Nikkei Americans and Japanese residents in the United States to obtain family registers and confirm relationships with their relatives. In Japan, we can officially obtain a family register on your behalf by using a professional request form that is only allowed to be used by lawyers with certain national qualifications. As a law firm, we have a legal duty of confidentiality, and your privacy will be completely protected. For inquiries, please contact the Rafushimpo in Los Angeles if you live in the United States. Contact information can be found in the description box below this video. We will also include our contact information for those living outside of the United States.
Thank you, Stephanie. Thank you for watching. We hope you will watch next video too. Thank you.